Go to TradeTheMBI.com. This is John. This report is for the 30th of December, and we're going to end the year off, unless there's some magic move, off pretty significantly for the year overall, but pretty much in line with where the readings have suggested. We've been in this continuation mode, which has just been this soft decline. Seen some improvement here in the MBI, Magenta popping up. Uh, Again, not much short activity. We've just been waiting for bulls to be the active party, and they started a nice little move here towards the end of the year. So a little post positioning to end the year. It was pretty boring because it was literally straight up from the first signal we had on the 5K charts, and it just went straight up from there. And NQ coming off that zero, and you can see the magenta overtaking the white. So it met the zero requirement and started the move. We got the crossover of green over red, but it still hasn't turned around and got some work on the shakeout. So it's going to have to be a continuous move up. Otherwise, more likely than not, we get one of these false starts that then will retrace again and then make a move back from there. But huge discrepancy between what we're seeing from the Nasdaq versus the S&P, and so we'll have to see if that continues because that's got to even out. And so either the S&P's got to make a significant move lower, or the Nasdaq is going to make the big pop. So we'll follow those readings. But from a bull standpoint, looks pretty good. Treasuries ending their auction. Slight decrease in yield there, but overall, pretty much right about. I would think that we're probably looking at getting towards the 96, but still, market believes that somehow the Fed is going to change their mind. But we knew that the initial pop they did was not going to survive. That was just insane. But if it forced some people to flip to the opposite side, then they were able to take advantage of it. From an oil standpoint, we're right at the edge. I mean, this is just one of those nail biters. And again, as long as nothing significant is taking place there, this is sustainable for now. We haven't seen real degradation from economic readings that everyone was predicting would really take hold. And again, I mentioned exactly how I thought that would be more of a regional situation. The euro also making some improvements here from gold. Still expect gold to continue to make strong moves. There's been a lot of activity from various central banks from China, Russia, and some even saying the U.S. getting involved in buying up precious metal. But big discrepancy between the paper markets and the real trading market. There's the euro making its slight improvement, and there's just uh, nowhere for the euro to go but up. Any dollar strength at this particular point would have to be the Fed changing its liquidity approach to other, countries. It's a truly global situation when they're making available dollars overseas, and that as they have been. Bitcoin again, yeah, nothing. It's just, and again, I think that's again that crisis of confidence situation has really affected crypto in general, and until that's worked out and how they're going to get that to where people, can have faith or confidence, and everyone says just keeping your assets in your own wallet and stuff, well, it's fine, but a lot of people don't want to take the time or the effort to just like learning how to read indicators. They're not going to make that effort, and that's going to be a holdback. um, 50K, you can see the short covered below the 23%. Right after that, it was clear sailing, and boom, all it did was just bring it back up to the breakdown that started originally. Nothing special. Makes it quick and easy. So you look at it from the 5K, there was really nothing to do. It just was all green until we got back up over that same 3860. and then started to work its way back and forth to it. And so we're still caught between those exact same algo levels, and not a whole lot has changed. But excellent from a trade standpoint. I mean, that was easy and clean. Um, Indicators will be coming out for the new year, so be ready for that one. And as always, though, trade well and enjoy that final trading day. Should be interesting, excitement to see how they end the year. It's been a tough one for a lot of them, so will there be some profit take, especially after this move? I think there's just probably a positioning to prepare for the new year. As always, though, trade well. We'll talk again later.